All right, guys, we're very excited today because we are here with
Orion
and
Enzo.
And we are going to be riding the lean boards. You literally invented this board, right? You designed these trucks and how this whole thing works. You guys might have seen the video that we made. I think it's called like the most technologically advanced longboard in the world, of which this is. So today we're going to do a race out here.
That is correct, my friend.
And best man wins. This is going to be time trial. And what does the winner get?
The winner gets pizza,
The pride of winning
and Jamba Juice.
So the winner of this is gonna take home their very own Jamba Juice. So before we get into this, you're gonna teach us how to slide.
Jamba Juice and pizza.
And pizza?
Yeah, and pizza.
Wow.
It's a combo.
We're really going all out today. So before we get into this race, you're gonna teach us how to do the lean slide.
Yeah, it's a little bit different than traditional skateboarding. I come from street skateboarding. And when I usually like to skate, I like to skate and slide. When I met Enzo, I saw his board, I thought it was really cool, and he let me ride it. And I picked it up pretty naturally because, I just like to, slide. And, I also come from snowboarding.
Yeah.
There's a lot of snowboarding technique in this.
Okay, so I have no idea how to do this, and I don't think I've ever accomplished a lean slide. So why don't you show us how it works, and then we're gonna give all these guys a roll.
Sure. So first of all, you're gonna want to, dip your toes down and dip your toes up.
So boom, boom. And then do you lean and like turn into it?
Yeah, so you're gonna wanna make sure your body's kind of aligned in the direction that you're gonna go. If you're doing a front side slide, you're gonna wanna have your body kind of whooshoo, just like that. You're gonna wanna whooshoo, whooshoo. And then if you're gonna do a backside slide, you're gonna wanna whooshoo. So here, I'll give you an example. Whooshoo.
How did that happen?
Oh, there you go. Yeah, all right. Let's do a whooshy.
It looks so much cooler when he does it.
Wow. So you can kind of do a 180 too.
I got this. Those wheels are grippier.
Because for me, when I ride, I notice if I just kind of turn hard enough, it kind of just slides on its own.
What in the world? Lay back. What?
I don't get it.
Got him.
Oh my god, come on.
Oh. Dang, woo. I'm a pro. Oh, what? You think you got this?
Nope.
Yeah, baby.
All right, so here's the race. We're gonna start right here. You just go through it. I'm gonna follow you.
Sure. So you're gonna first start off going like this. You're gonna go up this ramp.
Okay.
And then use it to take you out.
That's where I'll fall in the beginning. We'll go through here. Turn right here.
Take it outside.
Outside.
And then hit these cones right around the corner. You don't want to drift them. After that, we're going to hit the cones right here. Swaddle right through.
Through the cones.
Through the cones. And after, you're going to want to hit the ramp right here.
Ramp.
Yeah. And after that,
And then hit the ball.
you're going to want to hit this ball. Do those cones. And then bingo, bingo, done now.
All right, guys, so we're gonna do this race. I don't know if you guys were paying attention at all during the dry run. If you weren't, I'm sorry. You go up the ramp, down, outside, and then it's basically like a figure 8, and then through the cones, then up and down the ramp, and then you have to hit the soccer ball. Okay. You hit the soccer ball, your time ends. We're gonna Rochambeau to see who goes first. Best time wins a Jamba Juice and pizza. You ready?
And whoever misses the soccer ball buys the pizza.
Buys the pizza.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh, you're out. You're left. I think last is an advantage, to be honest.
Ooh, you're... Okay, 2, 3.
3 hours later.
Okay, I got it.
All right. All right. Oh, look at that. Huh.
Going first.
Okay, cool.
Second, third, fourth, last.
Woo! All right, racers, launch.
Oh, almost fell. I almost fell.
Okay, Orion came in at an incredible 51.27. He's probably the best I've ever seen on the lean board. He's got that lean slide down like a mean green lean machine. Literally. Wang dang bango. Uzi Daniel, where we go? That was the weakest start ever.
That was the best start ever. Look at him. He's flying like a majestic beast. Curve around that corner. Curve around that corner.
You got it, Daniel.
Slow and steady wins the race. Right. Slow and steady wins the race.
You're right.
Yeah, that's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. You got this, Uzi. Now gun it. Gun it. Gun it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
And in a shocking turn of events, Daniel Uzi Walker at a 51.93. Let's go do a little pre-game interview with Mario. Mario
look
the
at,
Tornado.
he's got the
Santa
hand
Maria.
covered up.
Yeah,
he's got
hand
the hand
covered up.
covered up.
Tell us what happened with your hand here.
So I was going 20 miles per hour on the solo wheel, and then I was filming a little tour for Gabe, and then all of a sudden, I just know I ended up in the ground. And
So you got this
a
for
lot of-
protection. So
yeah,
you're
well, I
definitely
kind of need
gonna
a wristband, so I don't have a wristband.
fall.
But I'll be
No
okay.
wristband. Okay, go ahead. Let it rip. Smooth start.
It's not how you start, it's how you finish.
Yeah, boy. Look at those shoulders. Yeah, lean. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Keep going.
Oh, wow. Wow.
He gave that a full lang banger.
I thought I was gonna die halfway through it.
Oh, Mar, you weren't that far off. That's not that's not how it works.
I'm proud of you out there, though. You really gave it your all. You really went fast and committed, especially on that ramp.
Now gun it! Gun it!
Wow, los litos.
That's right, Los Litos.
These guys. See, it's good that they didn't really make some like set rules, because I'm next. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. 100%. I got this! I'm still winning! What? It was all that fall right in the beginning. Should have taken that slower. In the grind, I really messed it up.
57.
57.
Nice.
Woo. Woo. I'm exhausted. 50, 7, 19. So we got Carlos coming in first, Orion second, Daniel just barely hitting third on 4, 5. Woo! Me and you, Mario. All right, guys, so the race is all over. The next contest is gonna be called the shootout. 5 attempts. You're gonna slide into the ball and see if you can make it through 2 cones. Same order, Orion's up first. All right, so the ball is right there. You're gonna slide into it and make it through this. Best of 5 wins.
Try backside.
That was far too easy. I think this contest is rigged. Mario literally just ran into the wall.
Oh! You hit the post.
Messy. You got 3 more. Dang! First try! You're up, Carlos. American Daniel. I'm the guy. Well, good shot, Daniel. A little more slide, maybe. A little more lean slide, please. It's got spin. Nothing. 0 out of 5. He's a machine! Ah!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Fire, bro. Yeah, one more try.
You did 2 out of 4?
Yeah.
It's 50%, this guy.
Can't stay on. Nice. Good.
Post. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pants, lean board. Yeah, like that. Like,
Kind of like Michael Jackson.
and you'll slide. Just like Michael Jackson. Just think Predator and you got it. 0 for 1. Good try though. He's got a lot of heart out there. Oh! Oh! Beautiful. Yeah, he's definitely looking very stylish out there.
I can't do this, dude.
Mario is the GOAT. He's just the greatest of all time, and that's just what it is.
Truth.
Yeah! Yeah, boy! It's going!
It was going.
Yeah!
Hit the post.
Oh no!
I'm waiting for somebody to hit it and then step off the board, but then step on the ball and just eat it.
Yeah.
Whoa, what? That aim though, I don't know how to aim into that. That's why I was like, let's make the goal 8 times wider than this. Oh yeah, boy!
Oh, yeah!
He made the board and the ball. What a guy, what a team player. Oh yeah! What? Full send.
Going backside.
Come on, Eric!
You were in the way! You were in the way! Get out of there! All right, I got you. I got you. Dang
Come on!
Dang it. My aim is off just a little bit, but I got this. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of you.
Wow!
What, Gabe?
Dang.
Knocked the skateboards down. I had so much power on that. Whip.
Wow. Oh, gosh.
4, which makes him the first.
Daniel was 2. Mario, we gave him a sympathy goal.
So Carlos and I tied.
Oh, Carlos got 2.
So since I won everything and all the races and everything, I was first at everything just like usual. Now I'm going to, that was a joke. I didn't win any of them. Now I'm gonna lay down on this. And this is a lean luge. Please make this okay.
It's nice knowing you.
Thank you. It's actually easier than it looks.
I'll take care of him, don't worry.
Ah! Ah, my abs! It's really fun. It's easy. You want to give it a go, Gabe? You looking good, Gabe.
Oh my God, I'm so scared right now.
Just make sure you're not holding on with your knuckles like he said.
What is that? Ow! Something got my eye! Stopped like straight
3
away.
seconds in, it got very deadly. Ah, something got in my eye. Something got in my eye. We're not sure if he'll be okay, but we hope. Our best wishes. All right, guys. Well, that was awesome. You crushed it out there, and you really killed it as well.
Thanks for thanks for letting us into your home. This place is really awesome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Never
Yeah,
been
we
to
had a
anything
blast.
like this before.
Well, we've had a lot of fun, like riding all of these and just using them and getting better and better. All right, guys. Well, we hope you had a blast watching this video. We had a ton of fun making it. These boards are actually incredible, and they're really, really fun to ride, cruise on. They're the ultimate cruiser ride, and you can pump, carve, turn. So it's a lot of fun. So check it out. Leanboard.us. Go to the link in the description below. Go to the website, and you can read all about the technology of it and pick yourself up a board. We're going to make a whole nother video that is just talking about the technology, all the design work that went into these boards and these different trucks. It's definitely a lot different than anything I think that any of you have ever seen before. So stay tuned for that video and check out the website.